Morning, another day, another food video. I know you guys love seeing my what I eat in a day, so we're gonna do another one today. This one's actually really exciting though, because we have our first sponsor in a what I eat in a day video. Today's video is sponsored by Care of. I'm super excited about it. Let's first start off with the smoothie. I wanna show you their protein powder. Don't judge me, I left a half cut open banana out. Okay, I've been making this little smoothie recipe for like the past week and a half straight. I've been actually having it every morning for breakfast. I'm not kidding when I say I think I have finally found the perfect smoothie recipe. Let me show you. Half a banana, frozen wild blueberries. Then I take 2 scoops of the vanilla Cara plant protein powder. Now this is where things get fun. I'm also gonna put in some pure dragon fruit pulp. This is also what makes it such an amazing color. Then I'm just gonna eyeball it and put in a little bit of soy milk. And then you guys know how I feel about peanut butter. We're gonna do a generous little scoop of that. Doesn't look like much now, but oh, you wait. Look at that color. Ooh, my measuring was off. Look, I have more than just 1 cup. I'm not mad about it though. So there we go. That is a very purple breakfast. And then there's this little cup too. Now depending on the day, I'll top it with some hemp seeds as well, but I think this is gonna be perfect just as is. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah. You know what's perfect about this? You would think it would be super overly sweet, but it's like the perfect balance with the soy milk, the protein powder, and the peanut butter. It gives it a really nice richness and it makes it nice and filling. The color of this is insane. I love it. I'm probably gonna have purple teeth now. So we definitely are getting into the thick of winter, the cool months, especially up here in Canada. It's pretty cold. And for me this winter, I just want to prioritize my health and stay healthy. I feel like with the holidays approaching and just the months being cooler and darker, it's so easy to put your health kind of on the back burner, and I just really want to make sure that my immunity and my energy and all of that is up. So Care of has been really supporting me with that. So it's really cool. I went to their website and did a quiz, and basically you tell them if you have any dietary restrictions. So obviously I put that I was vegan. It's pretty short and really easy to do, and then Care of recommends what supplements and what products it thinks would be perfect for you and what you're looking for. And then the best part of all is that they ship it to you monthly and it's personalized. So please take a look at this right now. Every morning I pull out my little supplements, and it says, "Hi, Jaclyn." Do you see that? It's the little joys in life, guys. So for me, one thing that was really important, I wanted to maintain a healthy immune system. So it was awesome. They recommended the vitamin C supplement, which is really great because it helps support that. And one thing that I really like about Care of is that they really prioritize sustainability and the quality of their products. So you can always kind of find out where they source the ingredients from. So yeah, it's definitely been super fascinating. If you want to find out what supplements and vitamins that Care of recommends for you, you can go to their website, take the quiz, use it, let me know what you think. Let me know if you make this smoothie. I'm telling you, this one is a winner. Oh yeah. My tongue is purple. I feel like I'm having my breakfast quite late today. I feel like I was out pretty late last night and I ate dinner really late, so that always kind of shifts my eating schedule the next day because I don't wake up as hungry. But yeah, we've got a very busy day ahead of us. I've got some videos to film. I gotta go run some errands. I've gotta also sit at my computer and respond to like 50 unread emails. So that's gonna be fun. Also, kind of in hilarious and exciting news, I'm gonna be doing another race this weekend. If you guys have been following for a while, I did my first half marathon a few months ago. So I've been getting super into running this year, and just last week I signed up for the Santa 5K this weekend, which is a 5K race, but you're dressed in a full Santa suit. So I'm not really sure how this is gonna go. I would love your tips if you have any running tips for like winter running outdoors, because I've really only done long runs or runs in the summertime. But I'm super excited. My little cousins are gonna do it. I think they do it like every year. So they're like, "Jaclyn, you've gotta do it this year." So that's gonna be happening tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow, whoa, I need to like prepare for this. I also just think I need to get the proper outdoor winter running gear. Like I don't have the running gloves or the little running hat. So yeah, any runners out there, would love to hear your winter running tips. I'm getting a little scared too, because once it gets icy, I feel like I will fall, but I'll keep you posted on that. I'm always posting in real time and sharing with you guys the more ins and outs of my life over on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, at Jaclyn Forbes, go check it out. You can see the lovely outfit that I'm wearing during the Santa run. That was so good. I finished that smoothie in no time. Now I have my little side smoothie. Now I know this is a bold claim, but I have yet to find anyone that can make a better smoothie than myself. I just feel like even if I buy a smoothie out or if someone else makes a smoothie, like the ratio is just never right. I don't want it too thick, I don't want it too watery, I don't want it too icy. I just am very particular about my smoothie needs, and I feel like I'm at a good place now where I can just like eyeball it and I just know how to make the perfect smoothie recipe. I really take pride in it, I really do. Should add that to the resume. Time for my supplements. You know what I always say, health is wealth, baby. Okay, it is time for lunch now. I am quite hungry, and it's great because I have leftovers from last night's dinner, which is always the best lunch. But I also did just get some groceries, so I have a full fridge, and I have tons of things in the house finally. Look at that stocked fridge, guys. So you guys know I'm obsessed with this restaurant called Fresh here in Toronto, which actually, good news, they just opened up one in LA. So if any of you guys are from LA, definitely would recommend checking it out. But I just think this restaurant is the greatest thing ever. It's fully vegan, they have so many great options, and I eat there about 5 times a week. So I was there last night and we didn't finish up all the food, so I took home one of the salads, which is like chickpeas inside, a vegan feta, farro, which is like a grain, and there's also some leftover potatoes here, and then this is like a crispy tofu cube, I think. So I'm just gonna take that out of the containers and just put it on a plate just so it looks a bit better. You always eat with your eyes first. So, oh, also I got some new cups and I got some new plates, so I'm super excited about them. I feel like no one else really cares about that stuff, but I just get so excited over like cups and cutlery and all these things. I mean, maybe I am being a little overly ambitious to put this in a plate, but how should I do this? Oh, that was not the good technique. That was not the right way to do it. You know what? The reason that I love their salads is that they're so hearty. It's not like just like a lettuce salad that you leave feeling super hungry. There's always a ton of grains and proteins and just, it's so good. And their dressings are amazing. I swear I am the unofficial mascot for Fresh. Now I'm gonna put the 2 tofu steaks on the side there. Perfect. I'm sorry, but is that not the most delicious looking salad ever? I also got new cutlery. We're doing a little upgrade. Ooh, the sun is coming in so much. This looks so good. I've said this before, but I swear I could eat it fresh every single day and just never get sick of it. I'm sorry, this plate is just so beautiful. It's really cool because I think it's like stoneware, so you can actually put it in the oven as well. They're from, this brand is like a very French name. I don't know how to say it, but I'm gonna put it in the description box in case you guys wanna check it out. And these cups are so cute too. These are from Anthropologie Home. I love Anthropologie's like decor and house stuff. I have so many pieces from there. This is a good day today. It really is. So I feel like we are getting near, let me finish eating first. So we definitely are getting towards the very end of this year. I'm someone, I like love a new year. I like the whole concept of a fresh start or setting new goals. I know some people don't like that, but you know what? I'll take any opportunity to have a little reflection, you know? So yeah, I'm curious, what are your 2020 goals? What are the tangible things you wanna either do or accomplish? And how are you gonna do it? I'd love to hear them. I'm in like this stage of my life where I'm drafting up my 2020 goals. And yeah, I'd love to hear what you guys are gonna do or want to do or going to do. I know a big one for me is to invest more in my hobbies and dedicate more time to do that. I feel like now, like as an adult, I don't really set aside time to do gymnastics anymore like I did growing up. So I've actually started this over the past few weeks, but I've been going to like this adult drop-in gymnastics class, and it's been so good to just tumble and to get back on the floor and like go on a trampoline and do all of that. It's just been truly bringing me so much joy. So I just gotta keep up with that, and I wanna keep doing those things that just make me happy. So that is definitely a goal. I also think I want to spend more time like planning dinners and hosting people at my place. Now that I have my own place, I finally feel like I've settled in. I mean, it's taken 6 months, but I feel like I'm finally at a place where I, you know, settled and I have furniture and everything's kind of normal. So I think I want to have more people over and make dinners more and do things like that. I also want to do a race. There's one here in like the springtime, and it's called the Around the Bay race, and I think it's 30K or 31K, which is definitely the farthest distance I mean, I would have ever ran. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I feel like I need to like set the goal, put it out there, hold myself accountable, and just do it. So we'll see. That might be a 2020 goal. That kind of depends on my schedule because there's so much training that needs to be done, but I just really wanna make sure the next year I'm really focused on doing things and promoting behaviors that just really bring me happiness. And really seizing the moment and the opportunity and the time that I'm at in my life right now, where I'm young. I don't really have a lot of, you know, obligations or outside commitments, and yeah, I just want to make sure that I'm not wasting it, you know? Anyways, thanks for being my therapist and for hearing me out. Okay, it's time for some dinner. So I'm gonna make a little bit of coconut curry. I'm actually following this recipe from Minimalist Baker. I'll link it down below. It's my first time trying it. Looks very convincing. I'm very excited. So I've got a bunch of veggies here. I've got onion, some garlic, carrot, green pepper, broccoli, and ginger. I also have a few more veggies that are gonna go in a bit later. But I'm gonna make the curry, and then I also have some rice that's just finishing up over there. This looks so good, I cannot wait. So I'm just gonna let that simmer for about 5 more minutes, and then I think we are good to go. It smells so good. I'm just so excited for this. It's like the perfect, most comforting, warm, winter kind of food. I'm already in my PJs. I am calling it a night tonight. I'm gonna sit on my couch, watch some Disney Plus, eat my food. My rice is ready to go. I've just gotta wait for the curry to go in. I'm so ready for this. Ready for this. Okay, I think my dinner is finally ready. It is so hot. Can you see all that steam? I just put on my laundry, and my washing machine literally sounds like a flying saucer. It is so loud. It's just one of those nights, you know, like I cleaned up my house, I made an early dinner, a nice warm bowl. Okay, here's the ultimate taste test. Oh, hot. Ah, I think I just burned my tongue on that one. I mean, it tasted good from what I could tell. Oh, this is exactly what I needed tonight. I also have a very hefty portion. Like half of this bowl is rice. I just was kind of feeling like some heavy carbs, so that's what I'm going to eat today. Okay, who am I fooling? I'm gonna go to the couch and turn on the TV. I feel like all I've been doing lately is watching Sweet Life of Zach and Cody. I can't help it. It's just truly one of the best Disney shows of all time. Okay, and because I am very passionate about eating cookies, I have a beautiful tahini cookie here, which is kind of like a peanut butter cookie, but it's like a nut-free way to do a peanut butter cookie. They're really good. They're from this vegan bake shop here in Toronto. It's called Bunners, and I absolutely love them. So I'm going to continue to sit on the couch and eat this delicious cookie. Anyways, that is everything I ate today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got cookie all in my teeth. Thanks guys for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!